Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Tainted Grail, the Fall of Avalon, crashing, freezing, or not launching on PC.
Fix 1. Verify game files. Steam. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Step 2. Right. Click Tainted Grail. The Fall of Avalon Properties. Step 3. Installed files. Verify integrity of game files. Fix 2. Update graphics driver. Step 1. Open NVIDIA Intel driver software. Step 2. Check for updates and install the latest driver. Step 3. Restart PC. Fix 3. Run game as administrator. Step 1. Go to game install folder. Step 2. Right. Click game. X properties. Step 3. Compatibility. Check run as administrator. Apply. Fix 4. Disable overlay apps. Step 1. Turn off Steam overlays. Step 2. Disable Discord GeForce MSI Afterburner overlays. Step 3. Relaunch the game. Fix 5. Set launch option. Unity fix. Step 1. Steam game properties. Step 2. Launch options. Step 3. Add Force D3D11. Fix 6. Install required components. Step 1. Install Visual C++ redistributables. x64. Step 2. Install DirectX. June 2010. Step 3. Restart PC.